Let's do it one more time. Yo! What's good, everybody? We got a special video today. We got amazing wild animal encounters. This is part 2. Now, you guys know with these compilations right here, man, they get kind of challenging because, like, some of them be the exact same ones you watched the last time, you know? Because, you know, everybody here paying bills, y'all. You know, they go to somebody else's video and see that video. They're putting their own video, their own words. Trust, they got a whole bill-paying community out here, man. I'm just trying to get my fingers in the cookie jar, you know what I mean? But, let's get to the video, man. Hopefully we ain't see no clips in here.
I know.
Oh, I think we see this right here, folks.
Just lock the door. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they could do that. Is it locked? Yes. Are you sure? I hope so.
Yeah, get this fucking.
See, I would never in my life get in no type of water. Like ocean. Stupid. Bro, we only know 5% of the oceans. Why we so dumb to that, man? We don't know 95% is complete. How we know 5% of it, bro? We in their world. It could be sharks, anything, alligators, bro. It could be a whale in there, bro. That's just hungry, bro. Bro, it could be. I don't take no chances with the water, y'all. Look at that! 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 Look at that!
Are you fucking kidding me, mate?
Bro! That thing huge! It is not what his homeboy could have done besides record. That's all he could have done to help y'all. Was just record. Hey, bro, come on, get on top. One hand record. That's all he could have done. Bro, I don't know how some of y'all like to live life on the edge, man. This is not fun. Bro, that thing huge, bro. He could have easily took a leg, bro.
Are you fucking kidding me, mate?
One ligament. Yeah. Oh shit, bro. That's probably the strongest he ever gripped on anything his whole life, boy. Woo! 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 GG. And now you go.
Oh god. Oh shit.
Hey Joel, we're over here.
Bro, I always feel like, you know, llamas look like they taste good, bro. I don't know what it is, man. You know, like, you know how you look at an animal, like, bro, like, you know, another animal that I think that tastes real good, y'all, is zebra. I just love the way it had the zebra, like, this, how, you know, the color, it just, I don't know what it is. I mean, it reminds me like a zebra cake, you know what I mean? If I was online, I'd be hunting zebra all day. And they thick, too.
Oh, that was so close.
Well, he's just sniffing people's head, bro. People's scalp. Man, I'm hungry as hell, man.
He gave me a kiss.
Damn.
Yeah, he gave me a kiss. Get Joel. There you go. Don't turn your back to him, Joel. He's coming. You're getting me. Don't turn your back to him.
Yeah, you gonna respect me. Yeah, you gonna respect me.
Oh God, he's gonna.
Yeah, respect me. Oh yeah, bro. I ain't gonna. I'm running. I'm running. I'm not playing with him, bro. One good kick, it's a wrap.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Copyright music. Yep. Got bills paid. Y'all know what's funny about this right here, man? What you gonna do about this, man? You wake up one morning and you see. Now, we already know that these bears right here are super aggressive already. Right? About their cubs. Now, you come out here and you what you gonna do? You've been paying these bills on this pool, in this yard, this residence, these taxes on your property. Every single month, you gotta pay these taxes. What you gonna do about that? You gonna let it ride? Because I am too. And just hope the chlorine probably burn his eyes, man. Because, man, them bears, man, they so protected over their cubs.
What's that, Indy? Want to get him another one?
Man, ever since that to my boy Steve Irvin out, bro, I don't like stingrays. I don't like stingrays, man.
Isn't that cool? And
Man, rest in peace, Steve Irvin, bro. I'll put the thing on the skillet, man. Bring him home. He wanna hop on some hot grease. Hop your way ass over there. Yep, all you can't do is record.
Window open in bear country.
Woo! That's a big boy. Don't piss him off, cause some furniture would be upside down in there, bro. Bro, you gotta tranquilize him, bro. Oh my gosh. That boy start there. Everybody start running. Man, it's crazy, y'all, the amount of strength these bears got, man. Literally can rip your face off, bro. He be pissed off coming to my cabinet. He be seeing nothing but healthy shit, man. And protein bars. He be so unhappy, bro. He probably leave some snacks for me, bro. Some berries and honeycombs. Yeah. Riddle. Bro, they like that in the amusement park. What the hell is this? I guess he'll try and pay bills too. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. See you guys in the next video. We out here. Everybody!